If Instagram map locations aren't showing, follow 6 quick steps to fix it now. Open Instagram, tap your profile, then the 3-line menu in Settings. Open Settings, choose Privacy, then Location to review Instagram location options. Go to your phone settings and make sure Instagram has location permission set to while using app or always. Enable precise location if available so geotags are accurate and not fuzzy. Update Instagram, restart your phone, then reopen the app to refresh the map data. If a specific post won't show on the map, open the post, tap Edit, then add location and save the correct place. Clear cache on Android or offload the app on iPhone, reinstall Instagram if issues persist. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, wrong time can disrupt location services. Test your GPS by opening Apple Maps or Google Maps to confirm the pin is accurate before testing Instagram. Log out and back in, or try another account to see if the issue is account specific. If none of these steps work, contact Instagram support with screenshots. Your map should now display locations correctly.